parking ticket dispensers powered by solar panels are a common sight in Malaysian towns. The basic unit of a type of solar panel is the photocell, which works on the principle of the photoelectric effect. Introduction to Photoelectric Effect. In this lesson, you will learn the principle of photoelectric emission, the effect of intensity and frequency on photoelectric effect. To identify the features in photoelectric emission that cannot be explained by wave theory. To explain certain features in photoelectric effect using quantum theory. A clean, negatively charged zinc plate is placed on an electroscope. Click on the mercury lamp to shine ultraviolet light onto the plate. Why does the leaf collapse? Answer: the zinc plate discharges when it is illuminated by the ultraviolet light. The discharge is due to the negative charges, electrons, escaping from the zinc surface. The electron density on the plate is no longer uniformly distributed. Therefore, electrons from the leaf flow upwards. This process will continue until there are no more charges on the leaf. Therefore, the leaf collapses. The incident light supplies energy to the electrons, enabling them to escape from the metal. The phenomenon where electrons escape from a metal surface when light falls on it is called the photoelectric effect. The liberated electrons are called photoelectrons. The minimum energy required for electrons to escape from the metal surface is called the work function of the metal. If the incident light carries a lot of energy, then the escaping photoelectrons will have a higher kinetic energy. Now click the positive plate button to charge the plate positively. Click on the ultraviolet lamp again to shine light onto the plate. Does the leaf collapse? Answer: the leaf does not collapse. Explain why the positively charged electroscope leaf does not collapse when the ultraviolet light falls on the plate. Answer: even though photoelectrons are liberated from the zinc plate when ultraviolet light falls on the plate, they are unable to escape because of the attraction due to the positive charges on the plate. Two isolated oppositely charged zinc spheres are placed near to each other. Click on the lamp to illuminate these spheres with ultraviolet light. Why does sparking occur only after the spheres were illuminated with light? Answer: photoelectric effect causes electrons to escape from the negatively charged sphere and attracted towards the positively charged sphere. This makes the space between the spheres conduct electricity readily, thus causing the sparking. Summary: ultraviolet light causes electrons to escape from the surface of zinc. These electrons are called photoelectrons. The phenomenon where electrons escape from the surface of a metal plate when light falls on it is called the photoelectric effect. The minimum energy needed for electrons to escape from a metal surface is called the work function of the metal. The diagram shows a photocell and a light source. Click the blue light button to shine blue light onto the metal cathode of the photocell. What do you observe? Answer: the ammeter shows a reading. This indicates there is current flowing through the photocell. Click the red light button to shine red light onto the metal cathode. What do you observe? Answer: the ammeter reading is 0, indicating there is no current flowing through the photocell. Explain why there is a current with blue light but not with red light. Answer: when the blue light falls on the cathode, electrons are freed from the metal surface and are attracted to the anode, producing a current. This current is called photoelectric current. Red light fails to produce photoelectrons from the surface. In this animation, a lithium plate is illuminated by light of different frequencies. Initially, violet light is used. Violet light has the highest frequency of the visible spectrum. Now, click on each of the other colors in descending frequency. Observe what happens. Answer: electrons continue to be emitted until the green color is selected. No electrons are liberated when green, yellow, orange or red light is used. Select high intensity of the light and click on each color again. What changes do you notice? Answer: electrons still continue to be emitted but in greater numbers until the green color is selected. Electrons are not liberated when green, yellow, orange or red light is used. In fact, for lithium, the photoelectric effect stops at a cutoff frequency of about 5.6 times 10 to the power of 4 Hz, which corresponds to green light. The cutoff frequency is called the threshold frequency. What conclusion can be made from this observation? Answer: the photoelectric effect will not occur below the threshold frequency irrespective of the intensity. Summary: the photoelectric effect produces a photoelectric current in a photocell. When the intensity of the incident light increases, a larger photoelectric current is produced. The photoelectric effect will not occur below the threshold frequency of the material irrespective of the intensity. In 1601, Thomas Young described light as a wave. This theory was successful in explaining wave phenomena such as diffraction and interference. However, this theory could not be used to explain the photoelectric effect successfully. In the early 20th century, Max Planck and Albert Einstein put forward the quantum theory of light, which could be used to explain the occurrence of the photoelectric effect successfully. According to the wave theory, light propagates as waves and as a continuous stream of energy. According to the quantum theory, light consists of packets of energy known as photons, or light energy is quantized. We shall now look at the aspects of the photoelectric effect which could not be explained using the wave theory but could be fully explained using the quantum theory. Click the Observation 1 button. According to the wave theory, light of same intensity carries the same energy. Hence, if blue light can liberate electrons, then red light of the same intensity should also liberate electrons. But this does not happen. Now click the quantum theory button for the explanation. The second observation of the photoelectric effect that could not be explained by the wave theory was the existence of a threshold frequency. According to the wave theory, photoelectric effect should occur at any frequency. Since light wave is a continuous form of energy, the surface electrons will eventually acquire enough energy to escape. Now click the wave theory prediction button. Now click the actual observation button. Click on the blue text box for an explanation using the quantum theory. Another observation in the photoelectric effect that could not be accounted for using the wave theory is the time interval between the arrival of the incident light on the metal surface and the emission of photoelectrons. According to the wave theory, there will be a time interval between the arrival of the incident light and the emission of the electrons. Electrons would require some time to absorb enough kinetic energy to escape from the metal surface. Click the wave theory prediction button. Now click the quantum theory button. Another observation of the photoelectric effect which could not be explained using the wave theory is the maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectrons. This observation could not be explained using the wave theory. According to the wave theory, a more intense light carries more energy. This will not only enable more electrons to escape from the metal, but also enable the emitted electrons to have higher kinetic energy. Click the quantum theory button for explanation. According to the quantum theory, increasing the intensity of the incident light will increase the number of photons, thus increasing the number of photoelectrons but not the energy given to each photoelectron. In a photoelectric effect experiment, it is observed that bright blue light liberates photoelectrons from the surface of lithium, but red light of the same intensity does not give off any electrons at all. Select the explanations in the table which explain this observation. Summary. The observations in the photoelectric effect that could not be explained using the wave theory but could be explained using the quantum theory include: A. The effect of frequency on the photoelectric effect. B. The existence of threshold frequency. C. The maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons does not depend on the incident light intensity. D. The instantaneous emission of photoelectrons.